If you're considering LycaMobile USA, there are a few crucial things you need to know before you make that final decision. You may have heard about its competitive pricing, but is it really the best option for you? Let's dive into 7 essential things you should know, and by the end of this video, you'll know whether LycaMobile USA is the right fit for your needs. First off, one of the most attractive features of LycaMobile USA is its pricing. It's among the lowest in the market when it comes to prepaid mobile plans, competing heavily with carriers like T-Mobile and Mint Mobile. Their basic plans can save you a significant amount of money, but it's important to know that those low prices come with a catch. LycaMobile USA offers some of the most competitive pricing, but you'll want to ensure you're aware of network limitations so you don't end up with unexpected costs or performance issues. Next thing, you might be wondering about network coverage. LycaMobile USA operates on T-Mobile's network, which means it has solid coverage in most areas, especially in urban centers. However, in more rural or remote areas, you may experience slower speeds or fewer available towers. Compared to other prepaid options like Mint Mobile or Cricket, this could be a deal breaker if you need consistent coverage everywhere you go. Make sure you check coverage maps for your area before committing. The third thing to consider is data speeds. Now, with LycaMobile USA, you get fast data speeds, but it's important to keep in mind that, as a budget-friendly option, there could be deprioritization during peak times. This means you might notice slower speeds if you're in a highly congested area. It's not the case with some pricier providers like Verizon or AT&T, who offer more consistent speeds but at a higher price. The fourth thing is the international calling feature. LycaMobile USA shines in this area, offering one of the best international calling services among prepaid carriers. If you make a lot of international calls, you'll appreciate how LycaMobile offers affordable rates to many countries, making it a great choice if you're someone who frequently calls family or business contacts overseas. This is an advantage over services like Mint Mobile, which, while offering great pricing domestically, don't provide as competitive international rates. Next, let's talk about customer service. This is an area where LycaMobile USA could improve. While they provide a solid support system through their website, mobile app, and customer service centers, many users report mixed experiences. Some say they've had trouble getting timely responses, especially compared to competitors like Mint Mobile, which has earned praise for customer support. If you rely heavily on customer service for quick troubleshooting, this could be a point of frustration. The sixth thing is flexibility in plan options. LycaMobile USA offers several different plans, from basic talk and text plans to more data-heavy ones. Their flexibility is great for users who want to customize their service, but it's important to check which plan best matches your usage. Compared to bigger carriers like T-Mobile, their plans might be a bit more limited in terms of add-ons or features, but the overall value for what you get is still impressive. And the seventh thing you need to know before buying is the potential for hidden fees. While LycaMobile USA's plans are generally inexpensive, users have reported certain fees that aren't always upfront, especially when it comes to data overages or changes to your plan. Compared to services like Mint Mobile, where prices and fees are clear from the start, it can be a bit tricky to navigate, so make sure you read the fine print. If you want to try out LycaMobile USA and get the best offer, click the first link in the description to get an exclusive free trial with some additional benefits. So, there you have it, 7 essential things you need to know before you buy LycaMobile USA. If you're looking for an affordable, no-frills carrier that gets the job done, it could be the perfect choice. But make sure to consider factors like network coverage, data speeds, and customer service before making the final decision. Click the first link below for the best free trial offer and exclusive benefits if you're ready to give it a go.